Hey everybody, what's up? Happy Monday. So, Mondays are busy days for me because I am finishing off writing the MMT Trader new issue, which will be out later today. Probably around between 6 or 7 p.m. Eastern Time. If you don't have a 30-day free trial, you can sign up right now at pitbulleconomics.com and click on the tab that says products. You can get the 30-day free trial, so you will receive today's issue later. And in the meantime, you can download all of the back issues. Now we're starting off the week with a sell-off in stocks. Not sure how far it's going to go. Listen, there's going to be a lot that I have to say about the market, about fiscal flows in the report that's going to be coming out later today. Okay, not to mention currency markets, not to mention oil, some very important developments in all of these things. You get all the pertinent information here in MMT Trader. You get a lot of pertinent information here on my YouTube videos. You know, I was laughing because I was reading one of these analyst reports online over the weekend. I think it was Friday, actually. It was a Forex commentary, and they were talking about how this week is the new year in China. It's the year of the rooster. And this analyst, very well-known analyst, was saying, well, you know, the dollar's coming back. It had a brief correction and it's coming back. And but now the outlook is it could go up or it could go down. I mean, this is the kind of analysis that you're getting out there, right? It could go up or it could go down. Well, thank you very much for that very insightful analysis. That really helps out a lot. That's not what you get from me. You never get that from me. You get a commitment, you get an explanation, you get a rationale behind why I am forecasting the things that I am forecasting. And, you know, we are now, I think, still very much in a state of where we're lacking information. I have said this before. We don't have enough information, particularly with regard to Trump's fiscal plans. The only thing he has done so far, and again, I'm rooting for Trump. I hope he does the things that he has proposed, and I believe probably he will, because if you see on issues like immigration, issues like national security, he has taken some bold steps which has pissed off a lot of people. But these are the things that he said he was going to do. So on the fiscal front, the only thing that we have seen so far has been the freeze in federal hiring. We have not seen any progress whatsoever on the repeal of Obamacare, the repeal and replace. We have not seen any progress on the rewriting the tax code, on tax cuts. We have not seen anything on the infrastructure spending. Now, all that is Congress's job. Okay, he could sign an executive order, but they have to come up with the way to quote unquote pay for it. And I think he's getting a little bit frustrated because from what I've read in articles, they had that Republican conference in Philadelphia last week, Thursday and Friday. And basically off the record, when the cameras were not there, and it was, when the cameras were there, it was all kumbaya between him and Ryan and McConnell. But basically he told these guys, look, get on it, make this happen. Let's move. Let's get some action here. Trump is not a guy who's going to be happy with just sitting around. But so far, we have not had anything. We have seen a tremendous run-up in the stock market since the election. And I said that 20,000 on the Dow, may prove to be a head fake. It may prove to be a fleeting, gain. And we're seeing that unravel, at least for today. And I spoke about some historical similarities. The Dow hitting 1,000 in 1972. It took 9 years for it to regain that 1,000. Now, I don't expect that to be the case now with the 20,000, but the market has gotten ahead of itself. It is something I have spoken about. Yes, the fiscal flows have flipped back to positive. They're indeed growing again year over year. That is a positive, bullish thing. But they're not up by very much, all right? And even last year, when we had very strong growth in the fiscal flows, there was back and forth a flow in the market. The other thing, and I'll just throw in a little freebie here, looking at bank data from last week, where it looked like from the prior week that the slowdown in loan growth had ended. Not the case. It has resumed again, the deceleration in loan growth. So, that's potentially a problem. Anyway, all this stuff coming out later today in the MMT Trader Report. Sign up right now for your 30-day free trial. Go to pitbulleconomics.com. Click on the link that says products, and you'll see another link there that says get the 30-day free trial. I'll see everybody later on. Bye-bye. Have a great day.